Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in East Asia and a neighbor to South Korea, North Korea, China, and Russia. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Japan, Japan, Pan, Japan. Japan is rich in natural resources like fish and is known for its advanced technology and unique culture, including traditional arts like tea ceremonies and calligraphy, as well as its powerful economy. Japan is a Japanese origin word, so its correct pronunciation, according to the Japanese, is Nihon or Nippon. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Japan, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.